Hi friends, I am Pinakin. Welcome to the English Zone. This one is our fourth lecture for active passive voice. In previous lectures, we have studied the general rule for the transformation of active to passive and passive to active. Some tenses has been studied by us for like simple tense, continuous tense, and today in fourth part we'll study perfect tenses. In perfect tenses we'll study two. The first one is perfect present tense and another is perfect past tense. So friends, both the tenses have a single rule for transformation into passive. So we have to remember that been is used with have, has and had. Have and has are the helping verbs for the perfect present tense and had is the helping verb for the perfect past tense. Now friends, first of all we'll study about perfect present tense. One thing we have to keep in mind before starting perfect present tense is with third person singular has is used. That means he, she and it are the pronouns of the third person singular. In passive, if the object is third person singular, so it has is used. Now let's understand some example so that we could learn it perfectly. Example number 1, I have driven a car. So the previous rule is used in the first example. I is the subject, have is the helping verb, driven is the verb and a car is the object. So in passive, a car object will come first. That one is third person singular. So we have to use has. A car has been driven by me. Example number 2 is friends, Mr. Pragnesh has checked some papers. It's passive. Some papers is the object. Some papers have been checked by Mr. Pragnesh. फ्रेंड्स, हम अगर ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा एग्जाम्पल इसके सॉल्व करेंगे तो ही हम ये इसको सीख पाएंगे. नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल इज वी हैव नॉट कुक्ड द फूड येट. पैसिव, द फूड इज द ऑब्जेक्ट, हैज़ नॉट बिन कुक्ड बाय अस येट. Friends, interrogative sentences have a little bit different sentence pattern than the assertive one. So let's see the example of interrogative sentences also. Has Mr. Thakur repaired his watch? That one is active. In passive, his watch is the object. So we can't use in the beginning of the sentence the pronoun. So we have to use has Mr. Thakur's watch. His is used for Mr. Thakur. That is why we have used Mr. Thakur's watch been repaired by him question mark. Friends, sometimes we mix up the rules of indirect speech into active passive and we do not put the question mark in the end of the sentence. So remember, in active passive, sentence is not changed. Interrogative sentence remains interrogative and assertive remains assertive. Next example is why has Ram made a cup of tea? Why has a cup of tea been made by Ram? Another example is who won the competition? So we have to use by whom in place of who because the subject is not given in the sentence. So passive one, by whom has the competition been won? Now friends, here are some examples for perfect past tense. As we have learned before that perfect past tense, only one helping verb is there, that is had. So in passive we have to use had been. Let's see the examples. I had finished my work before going to bed. So my work is the object used in the beginning. My work had been finished by me before going to bed. Another example, when the peon left the school, he had not locked the door. So when the peon left the school, this one is simple past tense. That is why no change is done in this sentence. Only perfect past sentence is changed. So it remains same, when the peon left the school. This sentence will be changed. The door had not been locked by him. Examples for interrogative sentence. Why had they take you to the science fair? So why in the beginning of the sentence, had you been taken by them to the science fair? Last example is of who had made efforts to win the game. By whom had efforts been made to win the game. Now friends, in exam we might ask both type of transformations, that is from active to passive or passive to active. So we have to learn some examples from passive to active transformation. The fees had been paid. So friends, subject is not given in passive voice. So as we have discussed before, we have to use proper subject. Keep in mind, remember friends, we have to use only proper subject for the sentence. Any noun is proper here. Pinakin had paid the fees. We can use pronoun also. He had paid the fees. I had paid the fees. Another example, the plants had not been watered by the gardener before noon. That one is passive. We have to transform it into active, friends. So the gardener is the subject will used in the beginning of the sentence. Gardener had not watered the plants before noon. Friends, these are the examples of active to passive voice and passive to active voice for the perfect tense. Or as we have discussed that without practice it is impossible to learn grammar. So I have some extra practice exercise for you. Do it perfectly. Thank you very much. On we have discussed 4 lectures of active passive. Friends, for more information and for more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.